So that's the real question before the court today, is should these abusive stops be allowed to continue?
In 2022, it was a landmark decision. Quebec police can no longer conduct traffic stops on motorists without a reason, a win for many in the fight against racial profiling. Now that case is back in court as the Attorney General of Quebec filed an appeal. The two-day hearing began on Tuesday at the Quebec Court of Appeal, the Canadian Civil Liberties Association, to defend the Superior Court decision declaring that police roadside stops without cause are unconstitutional.
The trial judge was right to invalidate the power. The Constitution doesn't permit these kinds of abusive police powers, and we're here at the Court of Appeal today asking the Court of Appeal to uphold that judgment.
The challenge was brought by Joseph Christopher Luamba, a black Montrealer who said he had been stopped by police nearly a dozen times without reason. Luamba's goal was to have the random interception of motorists by the police declared unconstitutional. And in October 2022, Luamba and the Canadian Civil Liberties Association won the case, with the judge calling the practice a violation of the Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedoms.
This police power currently permits arbitrary, unjustified stops. We know that those stops disproportionately target racialized young men, particularly black young men.
Michel Dehomme, the government lawyer on the case, saying that Quebec acknowledges that there's a racial profiling problem, but adds the law is not the issue here, stating that the law serves as a measure ensuring public safety. Joel de Bellefeuille from the Red Coalition, an anti-racism group in Quebec, says the province's decision to appeal was surprising.
For the province to fight the Yergeau decision here today is just another clear example of them trying to continue to control the narrative, control random stops on people that lead to the precursor of racial profiling discrimination. So I think it's another shame that we're here today.
It's not clear when a decision will be made on the matter, but it could take a while.
That power is illegitimate, it's unconstitutional, it's discriminatory, it's arbitrary. The trial judge was right to invalidate the power. The Constitution doesn't permit these kinds of abusive police powers.
In Montreal, Swidda Rassy, City News.